Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to go to India, but first we cannot teleport there, so we are gonna have to fly there. So we are gonna go on AirAsia to Cochin on an Airbus A320.
Ni dulu saya nak pakai ni,
Oh, okay.
tapi Toyota shock lah. Tak payah repairnya.
Ya.
Maya kurang repairnya.
Ya, betul. Ini dengan kereta kan?
Semua kereta.
Oh.
Semua full set.
Full set. Okay.
Dia
Full set lah.
9 lebih ya. Langsung tak payah modify semua.
Oh.
Semua dia kasih. Ini dia pun kasih ya. Kena tambah.
Of course we are.
Bos ni air boleh ambil.
Boleh.
How's Berlin doing? On the way only.
It's not a FYP that never ends. Hits. The Hit Cruisers are back this week.
What one's that? LRT, MRT?
The
KLIA
Heurig's Royal Flora Honey, providing you with balanced nutrition and soothes your throat. Plus, enjoy Heurig's Honey Tangerine Drops to freshen your breath with a cooling sensation. Feeling thirsty? We've got you covered with Good Day Charge. Delicious chocolate milk loaded with
Bulky. Aww, kitty. Hey, that one. Cutie, daddy, Archie. What did you do that, Emily? Yeah, Emily. What did I do? Yeah.
Weekdays 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. with Verona.
Come on, come on. Cái hi anh quá xinh. Cái looking driven to the penny to the king. I'm looking to the ring to the pen to the king with the cat that I'll bring your mom and I. DK. Guys, do you see that plane over there? I don't think they can. Yeah, I think they can. Now we just zoom it to them. I don't see anything over there. Where they go? I still can see it on my screen. Where I can see. Oh my goodness, it's so close. The plane is so close. It's right above it, that's why I can't film it, guys. Is it behind us here? Oh, there it is. It's up there, it's up there. It's up there, it's up there. Whoa, it's so close. Oh wait, that's already a 40-second video, not 25. Okay guys, so that's the KLIA Tower over there. A few hours later. The planes are on the other side. I'll show you when we get there. Okay, the airport is over there. We are there. It's over there. Okay guys, we arrived for our flight AK-39. Hey guys, so now we are at the airport. We are going to the departure place. We are gonna cross to get our I don't know, we'll see later. Travel. I want to find our flight. Okay. We have. As you can see, AirAsia X is now flying to Nairobi, Flight 101. And we are going on. Papa, I'm trying to find our flight. Which side is it at? Which letter? U?
U and Y.
U and Y. Where? Oh, I found our flight. So our flight is over there. The caution flight. That's our flight.
Ask your mommy where mommy is. There.
Okay Okay, guys, so now we're gonna get in the second counter. I'm not. Look at the design, guys.
Go, Papa. Stay, Papa. Papa is getting you.
هاته معايا.
Look at it. What's so funny?
Emily said she was innocent, like as if she went to the judge. This is courtroom.
Hey guys, so we somewhat made it past security. Okay guys, so we made it past security. I think my grandpa wants to go somewhere now. And yeah, our balloon is on. Booty, booty.
We have another security up there. What the hell? Let's put everything through again.
What? It's normal. Hehehe. Guys, now we are gonna have dinner because we are still very far away from our flight. Like it's only 6:40 and our flight time's at 9:05. Yeah. Look at that. Guys, we are gonna go get it before our boarding time. But I think we can go now.
My perfume?
No, now it smells like coffee.
Oh yeah, the Costa.
What's that smell?
It's not Costa coffee.
Where? Oh, Costa Coffee, I see it. Wait, Papa, we are not in P. Oh yeah, P9. I thought it was P9. Aw, Emily, you're so cutely. Emily, you're so cutely pulling my bag. Now, guys, we are going to our gate right now. Gate P9. My mom's going to the toilet. So while waiting for her, we are going to go sit there for long. Guys, I didn't eat even one. Now we are gonna lining up.
Hi everyone. Hello everyone. We are waiting to board the airline. Now there's a super long queue. We will get back to you once we can see the aeroplane.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we made it.
Oh, good.
That is our plane under over there. Okay, so. Yeah, I'm gonna go away.
Dear guests, the aircraft is being refueled. For your safety, due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in the overhead compartments and small items under the seat in front of you. Thank you.
Back there. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay guys, so we are expecting a 15 to 20 minute delay because of traffic jam, air traffic jam.
If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
Getting crew be seated for takeoff. This evening are reported to be good as well with a ground temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. It was an absolute pleasure having you on board with us today, and we do hope to see you again soon. On behalf of Federation Nautical New Team, we thank you very much for choosing to fly with us, and we wish you a pleasant stay in Cochin. Goodbye.
Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. When you leave the aircraft, make sure you take all your belongings with you. Take care when opening the overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted during the flight. On behalf of the captain and the crew, we would like to say goodbye, and we hope to meet you again soon. Thank you.
Can we go to someone else?
Hey guys, welcome to Cochin Airport.
So we just landed here. So despite Kuala Lumpur, it's not 1 a.m. yet. That was like 11 or 10, I don't know. I remember something like 10 o'clock, something like that. Maybe 10:42. Yeah.
So what's new?